Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about how do you install Wrike on your phone and how do you access it on a PC. So we'll start with the PC. Alright, so first thing that's going to happen is if you're new in the company, you're going to get an invitation from Wrike. We'll set you up in the system and you're going to get an invitation and you're going to accept that invitation and then put your name in, password details, that type of thing. However, there is a step that you have to take, and you may want to pause this video and really make sure that you get this part done, because if you don't do this part, you're going to get a tremendous number of emails coming your way. So I'm logged in here and I'm going to go to my profile settings, and then I'm going to see here where it says email addresses, and I'm going to look at these notification settings. And if these things are clicked here, then anytime anything happens in Wrike, so if like a date or an assignee is changed, so if this thing is ticked, anytime we move one of those little blocks when we're planning a job, and it's assigned to you, then you're going to get an email, and it's just a tremendous number. So what I want you to do is go into your profile, click on this email address, and unassign, unclick all of these things, and then go save changes. If I know one guy I spoke with about this, he says, man, I just love hearing that little bing on my phone anytime you guys assign work to me. So he left it on, and he just knew that there was more work in the pipeline whenever that happened. But I personally would find that very distracting. Okay, so then after you're registered in the system, you're not going to see as much as you see on my screen over here. What you're basically going to see, if your name is Edgar, you will see the work that's assigned to you, and you will see a Gantt chart if you click on that view, and you can go from there, or you can look at the list view if you like of work coming up. Let's see, not coming, oh, here it is. There's that particular job, and here's the list view. These are the tasks that need to be done. So that's the first step from a PC point of view. So let's look at the phone side of it. Now I have an iPhone, and I'm going to zoom in here and we'll show you how to do this on the phone. Alright, there we go. So I'm going to go to the App Store, and I'm going to do a search for Wrike. There it is. And I'm going to download. And of course, it's a free download. So it's busy downloading. If you have what is it called, Android type phone, I'm sure it's very similar. And I would suggest you make sure you have your PC side of it set up first, so that you've got your password and everything set up. So now I'm going to open it, and I would have to log in. So in this case, it's my email address, daniel.besden@probuildcreations.com, and put my password in. Now I have found that there has been the odd occasion where I actually have to log back in to this account just for things to update. So in the case of the iPhone, when you drag the page down like that, and you have this little scroll, this little rolling wheel at the top, that means it's busy updating. And then I would click the browse button in this case, and I can see my various folders and there's the Mickey Mouse project. And another important thing is that there's this little filter at the top. This is really important. So I click that, and I want to sort by, not by priority, but by date. For some reason it defaults to priority, but date is where you want to sort by. Alright, and there are some filters, like it's going to show all the active work. If I want to show the completed work, I would change that, and now it's going to show me any versus just the active work. But I think if it was me in the field, I wouldn't want to see the stuff that I've completed, so I would just change it to all active and show done. And so now for me personally, the plumbing move the gas line shut off valve is the next item. So again, we covered this before, I'm going to show you again. So let's say I'm doing this task and I'm done with it. I'm going to take a picture of it. Let's say I'm going to use the camera, and I'll just imagine this mic here as my gas line. I'm going to take a picture of it, and now I go use this photo, and there it is, busy uploading it. In the meantime, I'm going to scroll down, show you what happens on the screen. We'll go and look at this Mickey Mouse project, and there's the Gantt chart for it, and I will look at all the work. Alright, and let's see, let me change it to the workload view. Okay, so there's the gas line. So let's see what happens with that view. So now I'm going to change it from active to completed, and it instantly changed it on the screen over here. And again, if I wanted to open that and see how much was I getting paid, my overhead and labor was $405 for moving that gas line. And the pictures that I uploaded twice are sitting over here, and it says it's completed. I can put in a comment by phone, or I can, if I'm at home and I want to add some information over here, I can say gas line tested out perfect. And that comment would sit there. Okay, great. So that is the process of installing Wrike on your PC and on your phone. Okay, thank you.